Okay, cutie. You want to go out? I got your little track all ready for you. Yeah. Yeah. Right here.
Oh, there he goes.
Luke-Karl. I can't keep up with him. Hi, Luke-Karl. What you doing? He is a sneaky boy. Where'd you guys go?
Huh?
Wait for me.
Down here. Okay, you got the same spot. That's the sweet spot there. So at least he has the sweet spot.
Luke-Karl.
Luke-Karl, come here. Where'd he go?
Right behind you.
Oh, how'd he get there?
He runs very fast. Oh,
Boy, I'm cold.
Cold out here. Oh. Oh. Wait for me, guys.
Very chilly out. Yeah. Come on, Daddy.
I'm coming.
Oh, that's right. It is mother cold out there, man. Oh, I do. I'll take off your shoes.
Oh.
Oh, while I'm sitting, I can.